Okay, everybody, it's time to do average cost method of inventory valuation, which is also called weighted average cost. Same thing, just a different words for the same method. Essentially, what we do is we add up the total cost and divide by the total number of kazoos that we bought and come up with an average cost per kazoo. And then we apply that to what we sold. So here's how it works. 2,000 kazoos we purchased, or were already in our inventory at the beginning, and those were worth $20,000. That's what we spent to buy those. The February ones, we spent $187,200 to buy those. The ones purchased in April, we spent $66,000 on. And the ones purchased in June, we spent $36,000 on. So in total, we spent $309,200 on kazoos in the first 6 months of the year. It's now time to do the financial statements. What do we do with this number? Well, ignoring what we sold, because what we sold is not the same as what we purchased, we add up how many did we buy that cost us a total of $309,200. And if you add that up, you'll see we bought 29,000 kazoos for that amount of money. So now, if we want to come up with an average cost per kazoo, we are going to take $309,200 and divide by 29,000 kazoos, and that will give us average cost per kazoo, and it comes up to being $10, it's rounded, and 66 cents per kazoo. Well, now we have our average cost, which is how this method got its name. But we're still trying to find our cost of goods sold, aren't we? Average cost by itself doesn't do us any good. So what we're going to do with this number right here, this was step 1. Step 2 is now we're going to apply it to the amounts we sold, which is the numbers I just crossed out, the 7,000 and the 16,000 for a total of 23,000 kazoos. So what we're going to do is 23,000 kazoos times $10.66 each, or per kazoo, equals our cost of goods sold under the weighted average or average cost method. And I don't know if any of you wrote down the numbers using this example from LIFO or FIFO, how you're going to find that this number is always right in between LIFO number and FIFO number for cost of goods sold. How would you come up with ending inventory? You would basically say, well, how many are still sitting in my ending inventory? I purchased a total of 29,000 kazoos. I sold 23,000 of them, so my ending inventory is 6,000 kazoos. 6,000 kazoos times $10.66 each is going to equal, and I'll just stuff it over here in the corner, ending inventory is going to be $63,960. Ending inventory equals, this number is cost of goods sold down here. So there you go. That's the last method of inventory valuation that you really need to know how to do. See you in the next video.